calling boxing. His body chest 54 kg. Bout number 5 just about to start. Sri Lanka bout number 4 in fact. Vidusha in red. Aldia in blue. Looks very calm, both the boxers. Already started to notice that he's fighting it carefully. Not very keen on reaching, getting too close. And at the same time, I like his backup move. Get in front, gets out even quicker as a boxer. That will definitely give you, great deal of advantage against a very strong opponent.
And Aldiar is kind of calm boxer. You can see he's just judging the eyes and judging the distance. The Vidusha taking the lead and throws punches. Vidusha is trying to find a weak point. I guess Aldiar is a cunning fighter who's not taking the lead and let the other opponent come close to him, and then he can try to reach his head.
Just like you said, assessing the situation, he's trying to take a measure, taking gauge of Vidusha's game plan. Both of them orthodox stance. Once again, Aldia with the advantage of reach, clearly evident. The height advantage and the reach advantage. It's amazing to believe these lads are just 54 kgs. To the naked eye, they look quite big in comparison with Sri Lankans, previous game. Tangata was towering about the Sri Lankans. There's a good one for Vidusha. I thought landed upstairs. Very calm and quiet, confident. Bit of a collision and goes to the clinch.
Definitely. But in this round, Vidusha scores some marks because he's reached Aldiar's body and ribs. You can see that's a hard left arm jam from Vidusha to the Aldiar. And Aldiar failed to throw much punches than Vidusha. Vidusha had kind of scores more than Aldiar.
Good to see Vidusha moving quite swiftly to the side. Get in and get out move. Working well for him. There you go, backing off really nicely. When you're moving like that, when you're not becoming a sitting target, eventually makes it difficult for your opponent to reach the target. That's the body and the upstairs.
And both fighters are good fighters. As you can see, their technique and their passion, the way they reach their opponents, they're really incredible and fascinating.
Delano, too many heated exchanges. It's just that both the fighters trying to gouge each other's game. This young man from Kazakhstan in particular looks like a very, very confident fighter. And take a look at it, Sri Lankan boxer leading very heavily, not landing. Although he was, that one landed quite clearly. Superb. Tries to get a very straight left. That's the uppercut landed for Aldia. All in all, how much that man wearing blue with a slight advantage.
Exactly, you're right. The height advantage also in the Aldiar. Because there's a difference. Asian countries have just less height advantage more than Aldiar and Kazakhstan fighters.
And even yesterday we saw Kazakh fighters. They are sturdy and very strong, not afraid. If they need, they can move through any fighter. I can tell you, even in the world stage, Kazakh boxers, they're just meant to battle.
That's on the DNA. Most of Kazakhstan fighters have reached their height and the advantage in boxing. In this match, you can see that Vidusha is taking the advantage of that. He's reaching so much time with body of Aldia.
That's exactly the reason why conducting a tournament of this scale is important for Sri Lanka. Even though Asia, not global superpower when it comes to boxing, they have quite a few talented boxers. Kazakh boxers went on to win world boxing medals, and some of them reaching Olympic semis, finals. So they've been producing a constant line of excellent fighters. This young man, Aldia, should be one of them.
Definitely. He's not a stubborn fighter, he's a calm fighter. You can see he's judging distance and throwing the precious timing punches. But the way that Vidusha is fighting is kind of stylish, and he's a hard-working fighter. He has training, he has footworks, he has that hip works. In those jams, his left-hand jam is kind of powerful.
But up against a very technical fighter, things gets obviously very, very tough. And that's exactly what Vidusha is finding now. Trying to assess the situation and going forward. It's very, very tough for him to reaching the upstairs. I thought he's landed there. That one quite clearly missing. A wild swing. The way he's leaning back and avoiding punches, very impressive.
You can see that Vidusha throwing a brutal punches because the power in that punch is much better than Aldia.
And during the first round break, a minute break, we saw Sri Lankan fighter Vidusha breathing heavily in comparison to Kazakh fighter. He looks very calm, taking his short breaths. Just, excellent fitness.
In this round, Aldia took the advantage and he throws right arm jams and uppercuts to the Vidusha. It's a nice left hand uppercut from Aldia. It's a really nice box actually.
The work rate from Vidusha wasn't enough, wasn't matching when it comes to, pressurizing Kazakh boxer. You need way more than that. We've already witnessed that twice. Looks like we are in for a similar finish. But I'm hoping this young man, take a look at him. He's breathing very, very heavily. Fitness and conditioning, rather. So crucial.
Definitely in this kind of boxing match, especially in fighting a foreign opponent like Kazakhstan fighter, he has to use his mind tricks more than his power and aggression.
Yesterday we saw 3 bouts ended prematurely. Ref stopped the bouts midway through. In the first round, 2 bouts. In the second round, a single bout. Which means during these prelims, we will get to see quite a few one-sided affairs. But the business end, once you're reaching the business end, that's where the real fight beginning.
Definitely. Oh, that's a hard uppercuts and counter punches from Vidusha. Vidusha took some nice start from this third round. And see, he's taking the lead, and oh, that's a hard left hand hook from Aldia to Vidusha.
Aldia decided to wind it up. He had enough assessment. I'm expecting Aldia to continue the way he's just done. Take a look at it. Getting busy with punches. His accuracy, superb. Contrary, Sri Lankan boxer, throwing out as many punches as possible, none of them landing.
Definitely, Aldia has kind of technique inside of he's a passionate and stylish boxer. You can see he's not much kind of, oh, there's a nice hip movement. I didn't see any kind of hip movement from Vidusha in this round. But that's a hard cut from Vidusha.
In this format, 3-minute rounds, you're pretty much trying to do everything to impress judges. Score as many points as possible. So defense out of the window. Pressing forward, even though you are eating quite a few punches. That's what we witnessed by Vidusha. Aldia is pretty safe. and piling up points.
And the thing is that Vidusha is also maintaining his guard is low. The reason that Aldiar is always taking a good lead and throwing the right punches and always keeping his guard. And look at his footwork. He's going around the ring and maintaining, and he's just owning his area.
He's a professional boxer, there's no doubt. I've been telling that they've been producing world-class boxers, and he could be next in the production line. I'll tell you what, Aldiar. Take a look at his body language. He was hardly tested. He pretty much did everything he wants. He's just slowing down. He knows, got enough.
Vidusha's boxing style is good for Sri Lankan boxers, but the way that Aldiar boxing, he had to study the way he boxed.
Another count. Now it's pretty clear which way this bout is heading. It's all right, just 8 seconds. I think rubbing shoulders against the best. That's the name of the game. That's how you get better. Vidusha, quite really not done enough. Aldiar, much more proficient, technical fighter, superb boxing.
Definitely this round is smashed by Aldiar. He's a really nice professional boxer, as you mentioned. The way that always Vidusha tries to show his aggression and throwing much more powerful punches, but it doesn't matter with the technique. The Aldiar Jews managed to avoid those punches. It's a right, nice way.
In boxing, it's about your power output management. You can drain your tank if you need in the first round itself. Maintaining constant pressure throughout 3 rounds. That's convincing victory. Aldiar Bakadu.